From behalf of Palo Alto Networks, how do you see the field of security nowadays?
Well, I see this field of security as a lot of siloed point products. A lot of companies and organizations, they are protected by several vendors with point products that are not integrated and automated. And I think that's not good. I was a customer, an end user myself. I was a CISO myself, and it's hard to secure an organization with siloed point products that are not integrated and automated. So that's what I still see, unfortunately, that they are fighting a highly automated threat, highly automated and integrated adversary. And we are fighting them with old-fashioned point products. So as a CISO, as a security person, you're constantly working with several solutions in your organization and you don't have the overview. So that's what I see, unfortunately. And that's also the reason why we at Palo Alto Networks, we see security as a holistic approach, platform, which must be integrated and automated, because you cannot fight an automated threat with old-fashioned siloed products.
You mentioned that you changed your job from the CISO position to work for Palo Alto Networks. Why did you do that?
Well, because I liked the product that I used as a user. I was very impressed by the vision and the mission of Palo Alto Networks. I want to go to the US one day with my family, so that's a personal reason why I chose Palo Alto Networks, and I couldn't do that with my previous company where I was a CISO. I was worldwide responsible for the security, but I just wanted to move to a bigger company that creates me the opportunity, that provides me the opportunity to move to the US. And also I like to become the cybersecurity strategist, which I am right now. And they offered me that opportunity. So that's the reason. And again, I really believe in the vision of security.
Just recently, Palo Alto Networks announced a very interesting thing, an App Store-like web shop. What can I buy there?
Well, it's not an App Store web shop. We announced that we want to become the App Store for security, which means that we will build an application framework on top of which customers can put their own apps. So basically, as a security officer or a person responsible for the security, you can be very flexible and very agile in choosing which apps you need for your security. That's basically it. So we see it as an extension on our platform, because we believe in the security platform, in an integration of the point products, as I mentioned that before. And on top of that, we put a framework, and that framework consists of a lot of data that's provided by our firewalls and our advanced endpoint protection traps tools, and also our cloud security tools like Aperture. So we have a lot of data, and on top of that we build a kind of framework, and the people, the customers, they can plug in their applications on that framework with APIs. And the good thing is that it's not only the customers who can use the applications and their own applications, but also third parties can develop applications for this framework. So, and even our competitors, they already mentioned that they want to build applications for our framework. So that's the way how it goes. Everything from the cloud, very agile, very automated. And again, this is, I think, the answer to the future.
When do you open up the shop?
It's now planned to open it up from January 2018. So we are currently in the process of testing it, building it and testing it.